White Dumpster is your go-to solution for reliable and efficient dumpster rental services in Alliance, Ohio. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing construction debris, or simply decluttering your space, our top-notch dumpsters are available to meet your waste disposal needs. Our diverse range of dumpsters ensures that you find the perfect size for your project, and our flexible rental periods accommodate various timelines. Contact White Dumpster at 330-238-8519 for convenient access to our dumpster rental services. Visit our website at www.whitedumpster.com for additional information on our services and to explore our user-friendly online booking system. At White Dumpster, we understand the importance of prompt and reliable waste disposal, and our commitment to excellence is reflected in every aspect of our dumpster rental process. Dumpster Rental Alliance, Ohio, is made simple with a White Dumpster. As your trusted partner in waste management, we offer professional and affordable solutions to your specific needs. From residential cleanouts to large-scale construction projects, White Dumpster is the name you can rely on for efficient and cost-effective dumpster rental services. Contact us today to experience the convenience and reliability of White Dumpster for all your waste disposal requirements in Alliance, Ohio.